Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership. This one's a toy hauler, so keep watching through the video so you can see all the fancy features. And this one's got a slide, so stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. This 26V toy hauler is actually set up really well, and I'm going to go over some of the specs with you. It's got an unloaded dry weight of 7,418 pounds. The full length from ball to bumper is 33 feet 8 inches. The overall height is 12 foot 5 inches. Cargo capacity is 3,857 pounds, so quite a bit there. You can put lots of toys, lots of weight inside. The hitch weight is 1,075 pounds. Now, as we move towards the side of the RV, you can see that there's a compartment for the generator. So it's all ready to go with the generator hookup, and some of them actually come with a particular generator. You can see that there's a slide. We'll go over that a little bit more when we get inside. Nice big rear door for your toys to load in and out. Now this holds absolutely everything. You can put your UTVs, ATVs, motorcycles, dirt bikes, whatever you want in the back of this. As we look to the right side, you can see that there's a 16-foot power awning, push button, extend, and again, push button, retract. You can see this outside front compartment, which is accessible from underneath the front bed, which gives you excellent storage capabilities here. Certainly lots of good options for storage. Now, as we make our way inside, you can see the entry door is a nice tempered glass door that's in lots of natural light. As we enter, the first thing you see is the kitchen area, and that is where the slide is, folks. And right off the bat, you can see that there is a ton of space here for your toys. This trailer comes equipped with several tie-down locations for securing your toys. As we look towards the back of the RV, you can see that there's a bunk-style queen-size bed, plus the couches on each side that break down to a queen-size bed as well, so that can easily sleep 4 people. The main living area of this RV is where it really shines. The amount of space in here you get is fantastic. You've got your recliner single seats. You can bring up the bunk bed, and you can fold up those couch chairs so that they're flat up against the wall, which gives you even more space. You can put down the back deck, have it a nice level patio deck, which allows you to enjoy the outdoors right from inside your RV. It sure is nice to see all the cupboard space above those chairs as well. Lots of windows in this RV, which allows nice natural light to come in. If you're getting some value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. As we look up front, you can see where your sink is and your entertainment center above. So we'll have a look at the kitchen slide where you've got your full-size fridge, you've got your microwave up top, your oven, and 3-burner cooktop, and lots of cupboard space here, folks. It sure helps to have that little window just above that counter. It lets in so much light. As we move along to the right, you can see that you've got your entertainment center up top, and you've got a cupboard space on the left. The counter also is a great location for plugging in your cell phones, your electronics to charge, or set up a coffee station. And you've got your undermount double sink with your residential faucet. And underneath the sink, you've got your access to your plumbing and for some storage. As we move along, you'll see the door to my left is going to be your bathroom, and straight ahead is going to be your master front bedroom. Full-size queen bed here, folks. You've got cabinetry above, you've got your wardrobes on your right and your left side. It's great to have those extra cabinets above the bed. You can store your blankets, your towels, your sheets, linens, whatever it is that you need. And you've got storage underneath this bed. Don't forget it's got access from the front. So if you put something into that storage compartment from the outside, you have access to those things from the bedroom, which is super convenient. We look further down on the right and left sides, you can see that you've got some drawers there, which is perfect for storing miscellaneous items. As we have a look under the bed, you can see how much storage you actually have. Sure nice to have that extra space that'll hold a piece of luggage, towels, shoes, boots, whatever you need, like motorcycle gear. As we move around, you can see that there's a door. That door accesses the bathroom, which will enter from the hallway, and then you can see it. There it is again. As we pan around, you'll be able to see the wardrobe that you have inside the bathroom, and to the left of that is your full-size shower. You don't get claustrophobic. You've got a nice skylight that's right over the shower that lets in lots of natural light. To the left of the shower, you'll see that you've got your medicine cabinet with mirror, and just below that, you've got your sink and cabinet underneath for more bathroom type storage. And last but not least, in our bathroom, you've got your ceramic full-size toilet, and it's in a perfect position here. You got lots of elbow space. We all need to go, folks, and this is a perfect setup. Now let's have a look at the access from your bedroom into your ensuite from your front bedroom. It's a great setup, and it's super convenient. Thank you again for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. If you got some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up. and take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. And if you enjoyed this video and you like toy haulers, click on this video right here. So we have lots more coming. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.